Hey guys, just Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our fabulous new listing. This one is 7 Woods Lane in Winchester, Connecticut, a part of the Winchester Fish and Game Club ponds. It is a great private community here. They've got 15 lots, 11 built homes on this quiet, serene, private pond, and you've got your very own custom log cabin here that was totally redone 4 years ago. Everything has been done from top to bottom. Look at this beautiful cabin. You're gonna love it. And what I love about it is they did it, and it's so nice, light and bright inside because of the wood choices that they chose. It's really beautiful. They've got lots of natural light pouring in from the skylights. 2 bedrooms with an additional office space. Everything is nice and cheery. Look at these beautiful doors. I just love the colors they chose too. It is just so great. All new bathrooms. There are 2 full baths here. And what's great about this is the floor plan is so wonderful and open. This is a great pantry that you have here. Tons of closet space. When you come in here, you're gonna fall in love. So as you can see, beautiful, beautiful kitchen, all custom cabinetry, under cabinet lighting, granite countertops, all open. Look at this great fireplace back here and all these exposed beams. Great eat-in space too. What I love about it is the first floor master here, that's actually located back here, has its own washer dryer as well, with a private patio right off it and nice deck too. Do you want to see a little bit more? Let me give you a sneak peek. Actually, you know what? I can't. I'm gonna make you come and see this property hitting the market in just a few days. You better give us a call. The water views are breathtaking. This is just a place. Why wait to retire? You can enjoy this every weekend. You can come up, enjoy this. It's a year-round home. In the summer, in the fall, you name it, and it is like sitting on Golden Pond. So if you want more information, give us a call, 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.